Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials I'm going to show you how to use the learning management system of VEDAMO. I hope you find this useful. Quizzes are a feature of the VEDAMO learning management system and provide you with the tools to create a quiz or a test with different questions assigned to your students and check their results. The quizzes menu is accessible to everyone in your organization. However, there are differences in terms of what each account can view. Organizational accounts, administrators, and teachers have access to all submenus in the quizzes category. They can create, view, review, and complete quizzes. Students only have access to the results menu, where they can see their quiz results and take quizzes assigned to them. When you click on the quizzes menu, you will see three submenus. Choose the first one to access the list of quizzes already created, or create a new one by clicking on the plus Create a Quiz button. On the next screen, you can fill in a title for your quiz. You can also add a description. When you finish filling in the necessary information, click on Create. Now you can add sections and questions to your quiz. Note that each quiz has a default section attached to it, and by default, every question that is added to the quiz is included in the default section. From Preview, you can view the newly created quiz. With Save, you save the changes. You can share the quiz with your students via the quiz URL. To add a new section to the quiz, click on Plus Section. You can add a title and a description to the section. Both are optional. Then you have the following options to select from, related to questions, answers, and their order. The title, description, and settings for each section in a quiz can be edited, including the default section. To do so, click on the three dots and select Edit. Now, to add questions to the sections, click on Plus Section. You have two options: to create a new question or to choose from the list of all the questions that have been created in your organization. To create a new question, select the type of question you would like to add. Then select the question into which you would like to place it. Finally, click on Create. These are the 6 different types of questions. Under the Settings tab, you have different options related to quiz access, answers, review, and evaluation. In the Results tab, you can find all the results of the quizzes that have been completed in the Academy. There are several different statuses for the quiz results. Last but not least, the quizzes can be attached as a resource to different sections in courses. Just click on the desired section and choose the option from the drop-down menu. Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!